Hey guys, this is Orion from Midnight Machine, and we're going to show you how to install our trip bar. This is on a MCX Virtus or a Rattler. Same configuration, shorter barrel, longer upper receiver a little bit. But start by taking your bolt carrier out, removing your charging handle. Get this guy out. One, two. Where'd it go? There it is. Then these trip bars are very thick and allow for tight tolerances. There's no fitment required with these at all. And they are straight drop-in. See if we can get this in one-handed. There's one pin. Two, he's a little crooked. There we go. Second pin in. Perfect amount of play. Allows it to do what it needs to do. No polishing required. It's user preference. And if you have any issues installing it, it's user error. It's that simple. Goes back. Bolt goes home, pulls the trip bar forward, engages the locking bar on the FRT. Goes back, engages, does what it's supposed to do.